Welcome to the Dorman Products installation video for the rear oil seal housing on certain General Motors V8 engines. Our technicians consider this installation to be hard, and it requires some special tools. Installation should take approximately 5 hours. On vehicles with an automatic transmission, remove the automatic transmission flex plate. If the transmission is manual, remove the flywheel. Remove the bolts securing the oil pan to the rear seal housing. Then remove the rear oil seal housing bolts. Next, remove the original rear oil seal housing and discard the gasket. All gasket surfaces should be free of oil or other foreign material. During assembly, clean the sealing surfaces to remove any rust buildup around the rear of the crankshaft. Install the rear seal housing guide tool on the crankshaft. Apply a 5mm or 1/4 inch bead of sealant on the 2 joints at the rear of the block or pan. Install the new rear housing gasket and rear housing with seal. Next, install the 2 rear housing engine bolts and the 2 rear oil pan housing bolts by hand. Tighten the 2 rear housing engine bolts until just snug, making sure not to over-tighten them. Now tighten the oil pan rear housing bolts to 12 Nm or 106 inch-pounds. Tighten the rear housing engine bolts to 30 Nm or 22 foot-pounds. Remove the special guide tool before starting reassembly. If you have any questions about this installation or any others, the Dorman Tech Line is always there to help.